Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens, and today we're getting some extremely strong wind gusts. We're getting wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. And I'm also going to do a review of the storm damage. So let's get started. Sorry about the kid. The kids are just running outside because the wind's crazy right now. The wind's barely even blowing in the back. Oh my gosh! Look at that tree branch. Hold on. Oh my gosh, look at that tree branch. It completely got torn off. That branch just got torn off. I'm telling you guys, these 50-mile-per-hour winds do a lot of damage to who knows what. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy. Like, I am not playing. My ear been hauling like out of style. It used to be like this, but now it's like, Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry my voice sounds high-pitched. It's because when I talk loud, I sound high-pitched. I'm actually excited for this because I'm experiencing something that's like pretty rare here in North Texas. So, also, when the storm came through this morning about 5 a.m., it blew our trash cans over. Look at that. Completely cooked our trash cans. Here it comes. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm gonna kind of walk. I don't want to walk down there because the kids are playing. Bro, who plays in 50-plus-mile-per-hour winds? Like, who in the world does that? Well, these kids do it, but well, that live oak is really kicking it. Look at it. Look at it. It's blowing so hard. It's blowing this bush. Every tree in the neighborhood is making swooshing noises. Here come the clouds to come right over us. Look at the trees, they're starting to go the same direction as the clouds. Look at that oak tree over there. That was 50. That was definitely 50. I'm surprised there hasn't been any power flashes yet. Like, oh man. Oh my goodness. Here it comes. Let's see if we can hear it swish. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Guys, these winds are absolutely insane right now. Whoa, I heard a bang. I'm gonna kind of go down the sidewalk a little bit. My oak tree is just oaking. Let's see if that live oak blows. Yep, there it goes. Gosh, look at my tree. Wow. My goodness. This is why I'm wearing a jacket right now. I'm wearing a jacket. Oh my gosh. This will end around 11 o'clock p.m. tonight. Yeah, that branch just came off on that live oak down there. I'll go to the backyard in a few minutes. Kids are weird. I know. Kids are weird. You know that? Here it comes. Oh, I hear twigs breaking. Look at that cloud over there. It's coming towards us. Oh my gosh. Wow. I told you 50-mile-per-hour winds can do anything. The winds are coming from West Texas. That's where all that dust is. Let's see if I can go get a good gust on the wind on that live oak. See if I can get a good gust. Oh my gosh, that hanger might come out. Shut up with the honking, jeez. This wind is crazy. Look at these little bushes. Wow. Yeah, a branch came off this tree, this live oak. Wow, I feel bad for this tree. You can see my front yard blown over there. surprised the hanger hasn't fallen. There's my front yard. I'm sorry about the kids. Kids are weird. The wind's really kicking on that live oak. Jeez. Kids are weird. See if another gust comes. I'm sick and tired of these kids. Oh, there it goes. Wind's going over there. Well, here it comes. Oh my gosh. Holy gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at those clouds right there. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. We might get another gust coming. See if there's any gusts. Whoa, that knocked me over. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. What time is it? I have to be inside at 7. 6:51. Oh my gosh. Sirens haven't even gone off. That hanger still hasn't fallen out yet. Gosh. Our trash can just blew open. This is like the March 2nd storm. Gosh. Alright guys, I'm going to go into the backyard, so I'm going to pause this video, and I'll see you guys in the front yard. Alright, so this is what it's like in the back. As you can see, the backyard is not susceptible to wind at all because there's a bunch of houses. There's a bunch of houses. So, you guys see that tree right there? The one I'm circling? That tree right there? That big Chinese elm? That's the one that's... Oh my gosh, what was that? Something broke. Something literally just broke. These winds are crazy, guys. 50-mile-per-hour winds. I'm glad I got that noise on video. Oh my gosh. There's my front yard. Guys, tell me if you can hear that big tree swoosh, because I can. This is literally like the March 2nd storm. I don't know if you guys can hear the swooshing of that giant Chinese elm over there. There's actually two of them. Guys, this is crazy. Okay. I hear the front yard going. I'm gonna get on my trampoline. Whoa, I heard another bang. Look at that. You can see the moon and the clouds moving. Let's see if a big gust comes through the backyard. They put their screen back together, so that's good. I hear leaves falling into the gutters. Oh my gosh, guys. Was that a power flash? That literally just looked like a power flash. I don't know though. I hear things banging. I hear wind chimes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can hear the wind blowing through the fences. Let's make sure my dead tree is okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see if I can turn off the porch light. Jeez. This is what it's like with the porch light off. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn the porch light on. It's getting kind of scary. Alright. Oh, I hear the front yard going. Okay. I'm sorry that guys, I'm so sorry that I've been recording for so long. I'm so sorry. Because these winds are never gonna end. I hear stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to go to the front yard one more time. And if I can't, then I'm gonna have to say goodbye here in the back. Okay, so I'm back out here in the front. I can only do it for a couple of seconds because I can't stay out here too long. Whoa, bang. I heard another bang. Hopefully these winds slow down soon. I'm go to that Southern Live Oak over there. Alright, I gotta go back. Gosh. These winds just never end. Eventually, some trees are gonna get uprooted. Oh, I hear something. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'll be right back.